What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are at Steam and I'm gonna teach you how to basically fix an error with your Captcha problem. Basically your response to Captcha appears to be invalid, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell on. So guys, basically Steam displays the error, which is your response to the Captcha appears to be invalid. Please re-verify that you are not a robot below. When you enter the Captcha incorrectly, other causes could include a problem with the internet connection, IP, or any issue with the browser. So first we need to have some preliminary fixes. Fill out the Captcha correctly, but sure to get a second opinion from someone else to ensure you're not making a mistake. Fill out the Captcha again after refreshing the Steam sign up web page you're basically having issues with. Try signing up again after closing the Steam sign up page. Restart your browser to rule out temporary glitches. Switch your browser to ensure the problem isn't with your browser. Restart your router to clean its short-term memory. Disable any auto Captcha solver you have installed or enabled on your computer, and of course select the correct country of residence on the sign up page. So guys, if the preliminary checks did not work, make sure to see if your internet is working correctly. Then switch your internet connection. Basically, if you have better one, enable or disable VPN, which is one of the biggest causes of this problem. Then of course you need to rule out browser issues and flush your DNS cache. So DNS cache flushing helps resolve major connectivity problems. Basically in the Windows search box type command prompt and select run as admin, enter the following command, which is ipconfig/flush DNS, press enter, apply the following fix if flushing the DNS cache doesn't help, which is this over here. Then of course rest at winstock, switch internet protocol versions and so on and so forth using a different device. So hopefully this helps you at least a bit. So guys, thank you for watching and see you in our future videos. Goodbye.